How to answer or decline call with a tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on phone app. Now here's a click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard, click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings. So now in setting, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. So after click on answering and ending calls, so you will see click on answering and ending. So you will see answering and you will see answering. So if you want to answer or decline, so click on gesture to answer call. So after click on gesture to answer call, so click on tap. So after click on tap, you will see after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can answer or decline call with a tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.